Hi Ben, do you like reading books? Hi Alice. Yes, I do. I love reading books. How about you?
Me too. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like adventure books. They are so exciting. What about you? I enjoy mystery books. I love trying to solve the puzzles before the characters do. That sounds fun. Do you have a favorite book? Yes, my favorite book is Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. What about you? My favorite book is The Habit. It's such a great adventure story. Oh, I love that one too. Have you read any good books recently? Yes, I just finished reading Charlotte's Web. It was really touching. That's a lovely book. I read Matilda last week. It was very funny and inspiring. I haven't read Matilda yet, but I have heard it's good. Do you like to read at night or during the day? I like to read before bed. It's a nice way to relax. What about you? I prefer reading in the morning. It makes my day start on a good note. That's a nice way to start the day. Do you prefer physical books or e-books? I like physical books. I love the feel of the pages. How about you? Same here. There is something special about holding a book in your hands. Agreed. Do you ever go to the library?
Yes, I go there often. It's a great place to find new books to read.
I like going to the library too. It's peaceful and there are so many books to choose from. Definitely. We should go together sometime and pick out some new books.
That sounds like a great idea, Alice. Let's do it.